One of the things that makes this such a special experience is that it's absolute freedom. And you really start to realize that the more you ride them. And I mean, a bicycle in general kind of has that feeling, but you slap an engine on it and you no longer have to worry about steep hills. You can ride much further quicker. You can still pedal alongside it, if you want, or if you want to save on a little bit of gas, you can shut down the motor and cool it off and pedal, but it's just that feeling of freedom. And it's got kind of an old-timely feeling to it too, like a 100-year-old motorcycle sort of feeling. Yeah, it's not the fastest horse in the stable, but it isn't really about that. It's just about that feeling that I can jump on it and go. I don't have to ask permission. It doesn't take much to feed it. It didn't take much to build it. And in all honesty, I haven't had this much fun on a bicycle since I first learned to ride one. My only real regret with these projects is not doing it sooner.